Love it or hate it, the Vision Pro is a nice looking piece of tech, isn't it? I mean, look at it. It's got the screen on the front, small form factor, and especially the solo knit band on the back. A lot of people on the internet, like this one guy in the comments of one of my recent videos, believe that the Vision Pro is this extremely heavy headset that will hurt your neck and make you ugly after a few minutes of using it, when the reality is much more complicated than that. First of all, if you're interested in buying the headset or even just want to try it out, then you can book an appointment at your nearest Apple store to see if it's for you, and also if the weight is okay for you. A Valve Index weighs 809 grams, which is crazier than the Vision Pro's 600 and the Quest 3's 515. However, the reason why there isn't as much uproar over the Index's weight is because the head strap is able to act as a counterbalance. With this, the Index isn't as front heavy as headsets like the Vision Pro, which has these prettier yet lighter head straps. As a result, much more pressure is put on your face. The solo knit band has been described by many, including me, to be pretty uncomfortable for long periods of time, but there's actually another head strap included in the box when you buy the Vision Pro, which is the dual loop band. In my 8 months of testing this headset, which included me playing League of Legends pretty badly, this is the most comfortable one of the two since there's more granular control for how it feels on your head. Personally, I get headaches pretty often, but even with the second head strap, I can use it for about 2 hours without issue. This is a good amount of time to work on a video just like this one or watch a movie in one of my environments. However, everyone tolerates different weights on their heads, so if you find that it's too heavy for you during your appointment at Apple, there are many different third-party head straps that you can buy to use more comfortably. I've heard a lot of reviewers say many positive things about the Anapro Head Strap V2, which is basically this head cushion that reduces the pressure on your face. I personally haven't used it, so I'm not recommending it, but fellow Vision Pro content creator Hemos Tech made a review of it that you can check out down below. A while back, I was sent a head strap by a company that I won't name, but after a week of using it, I just couldn't get myself to keep it on my device. While it was just a prototype version, there's a glaring issue in it that you should definitely keep in mind if you're going to be using cheaper third-party ones like this one. With the one that I got, it added a lot of obvious stress points, like this entire part around the stems. This could be a huge problem and cause wear and tear over time, so make sure you don't cheap out if you're looking for a head strap. For any headset actually, but especially a $3,500 one. Anyways, if you're experiencing a lot of neck pain while wearing this thing, consider getting a third-party head strap with a head cushion like the Ana Pro, or with a counterbalance on the back like one with a battery holder. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.